Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many.
Welcome back on the channel. It's 17 March and time right now is 3:27. I am going to DEVAM SOOD's house. The reason we are going for that because DEVAM SOOD is shooting a vlog, and that vlog is gonna be on Aprilia RS150, the new scooter which has launched. So they took the delivery a couple of days back. So I'm going to give him the company. Along with that, there is some of help. And yeah, obviously you must have noticed that I have bought myself a new helmet. This is a THH T76 model number. It is a dot approved helmet. Holy, this bus is screaming like hell. Yeah, I bought it just a couple of hours back. I also made a vlog while buying this, but this helmet looks really dope. And the main thing which I like its sides. The graphics on the sides are quite amazing. If it will be safe, I'll turn my head towards the left so that you guys could see me. See, did you see that? But there is one little problem with this. I tried two helmets. The previous one जो मैंने पहना था वो सेम ही मॉडल था THH का, but इसके ग्राफिक्स मुझे उससे ज़्यादा अच्छे लगे, so I tried this one. But I didn't notice this at shop that it is relatively bigger in size than the previous one which I tried. So I'm really confused if should I change it or not. As you know, I'm a Sardar guy and I have the long hair, so tight helmet से problem भी हो सकती है, and loose helmet, as you know guys, isn't safe at all. So I don't really know how loose this helmet is, if it is okay or not. So I called up DEVAM SOOD and asked him what should I do. So he said, come to me, we'll check if the helmet will be too loose, we'll change it. But I seriously, I love these graphics of this helmet. So I wish अगर ऐसा ही मिल जाए मुझे एक छोटे साइज में, so that will be like amazing thing. So yeah, आज कैमरा मैंने फ्रंट माउंट इसीलिए किया है because I don't really have any mount on this, and मैं माउंट लगा भी लेता अगर वो साइज का इश्यू नहीं होता. I know camera is shaking a lot, there will be a lot of shake in the video, but you guys have to bear with it for some couple of days, or like about 2 days or as I'm doing vlog for the first time with this helmet, so I don't really know how the audio quality would be. I just hope my audio won't suck. And as I previously using the flip up helmet, so in that helmet it was quite easy to set up the MIDI mic inside my helmet, but as this is the full face helmet, so I'm not really familiar with this, but still somehow I stuck the mic in the helmet. I just can wish that audio would be good enough. For those who don't know, who are my new subscriber, I went to Shimla 13 January 2018 with my friend Manny for some work. For the last couple of days I was quite discontinued on my channel due to the problem in my PC. I was not able to edit the videos. A couple of days back I borrowed a PC from a friend of mine to edit the videos. So the Shimla vlog is coming, guys. Yes, it is coming. For all the people who were asking me on the Instagram, yes, Shimla vlog is gonna come. The video is almost done. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that day 1 has done. तो एक पार्ट और आएगा. इन केस अगर हुआ तो शायद एक पार्ट और आए, 3 पार्ट में वीडियो निकालूं, और अगर नहीं तो मैं अगले नेक्स्ट पार्ट में वीडियो को कंप्लीट कर दूंगा. सो आई होप यू विल एंजॉय दैट बिकॉज हमने बहुत सारे बी-रोल शूट किए थे एंड ऑल दैट, काफ़ी सारी मस्ती की थी, एंड दैट वाज काइंड ऑफ अ गुड व्लॉग फॉर मी. And yeah, those guys who subscribe me for the daily observation videos, I will try to put it very soon because I'm not a daily observation kind of guy, but the second daily observation video which I made got a great hit. It crossed almost 6,70,000 views, almost close to 7 lakh views. So that just bumped up rapidly, and it also gave me a lot many subscribers. So I think people are expecting me to make the more daily observation videos. So if you want me to do so, just write down in the comment section below and let me know. So I reached at DEVAM SOOD's house, and this is the Aprilia he's gonna shoot for. So with that, I'll be riding this RC390 2017. I know it's pretty bright. As I don't have any mount on my helmet, so I mounted the camera on the tank of RC390. So I was quite confused about the fitment of my helmet, but as suggested by DEVAM SOOD, this is quite fit for me. So the confusion दूर हो गई है. अभी अब जाके हम जल्दी ही लगाएंगे बेस माउंट for the action camera, but अभी के लिए just onboard footage enjoy कीजिए. Yeah, this is the same RC390 which I rode just a couple of days back. And if you haven't checked the video, go and watch that video I shot on GoPro Hero 5. And there was a kind of big deal for me because, oh my god, the footage was looking damn amazing. Holy shit! I'm feeling this bike is even more powerful than before. I don't know why. Holy shit! This is scaring me now. So I have to slow down because I don't know the way we are going. Basically we are going to South City, but don't know the exact place. Uncle could see that we are coming but still cross the road. That's how it usually happens in India. Because जब डेली ऑब्जर्वेशन वाली मेरी वीडियो वहाँ पे लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं, भाई ये इंडिया है, यहाँ ऐसे ही होता है, तू बाहर से आया रे, अगर ऐसा है तो बाइक चलाना छोड़ दे, घर पे बैठ जा. क्या क्या बातें यार. That is the mentality of us people, that we don't want to be serious about the road safety, but rather than we are accepting that yeah, we are like this and we will be like this always. Police wale are there. Traffic police is there. I hope they won't stop us. Alright, escape. So yeah, I forgot to tell you, right now we are going to a friend's house, and that friend's name is Vaibhav. If you don't know, he has the channel named JUGAAD, very famous in Ludhiana, and he puts great content about the modification on, especially on the Activa. And he's also done recently a trip to Khajiar. The video was quite amazing. I will drop the link in the description. You must go and watch that video. So we came here into the South City to shoot for Devam. Shoot has almost done. There was nothing special to do but just cinematic shots of Aprilia. And now along with me we also have DIY Jugaad, as I told you, Vaibhav. So hello guys, क्या हाल है? और so he's DIY Jugaad. If you didn't subscribe to him, just go and check his channel. I will drop the link in the description. Now let me give you the brief detail about the helmet which I bought today, and I'm quite happy with the helmet. It is so beautiful, and luckily ये सब कुछ मैच हो गया, रेड वाइट ब्लैक. मेरी हेलमेट का भी कलर सेम हो गया, जैकेट का ऑलरेडी है, ग्लव्स का भी सेम है और शूज का भी सेम है. इट्स क्वाइट वियर्ड. So hope you like the cinematic sequence of this helmet. So basically this helmet costed me 4100 rupees. And this is a DOT approved helmet, and it has a quick release strap rather than that double D-ring which I was looking for, but unfortunately I couldn't get that. And yeah, this helmet looks dope for me. Seriously, I like this helmet. Along with that, there is very special feature which is given in this helmet, and that is this backlight on the helmet. So this is the switch. If I press it once, this light glows, and like this, and like this, and switch it off, and then this. So it has basically 4 modes which you can use according to your wish, and this feature is gonna be quite handy at night for safety. So this is how it's looking like on the RC390, looking so beautiful. So after doing shoot for DEVAM SOOD at South City, so we came here at the showroom of Always Dry because the owner of this Aprilia has done the the whatever coating they do, but there was some kind of problem with that, so we had to get it checked. So that is why we are here, and the lighting over here is too good. So I think this is the time to end this vlog right here. I hope you like this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more videos like this. So see ya in the next video.